Ito yung Maldives. Maldives Seaplane Airport. Airport, ayan. So, kung sinabing airport, syempre paliparan yan. Maraming airplano pa seaplane aircraft. Seaplane, ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung, ayan, kung anong nangyayari dito. Pinapaliguan yung seaplane. Ayan, pinapaliguan nila. Ayan. So, cleaning time. Okay, cleaning time. Tapos, ayun. Kung nakikita nyo to, ayan, may dala silang luggage. Galing yan sa mga pasahero na galing sa seaplane, kababa lang. Luggage yan, ayan. So, yun. So, pagka madilim-dilim na, ewan ko lang kung may mayroon pang biyahe ng seaplane. Kaso, nung ando kami sa Maldives, 4 PM yung last flight. So, I don't know if may bababa pa ngayon. Pero kanina, laging meron. Ayan, tahimik na kasi huminto na yung ang ingay ng ano, ang ingay ng yung makina. Ang ingay ng makina. So, pag andito ka, medyo amoy gas. Maamoy mo yung gas. Okay, ito yung Seaplane Airport. At doon sa kabila, ayun ang Maldives Airport. Yun yung malalaking, ayan, so may palipad. Ayan, tama-tama guys. Merong kapalipad na isang aeroplano. This one is ano, this is not seaplane. Airplane. Okay, I think this is going up. Tingnan natin. So, hindi siya lilipad. Lumiko lang siya. Paparada siguro. So, ayun. Ayan. Sa kabila dito. Ayan, bago nga ba. Just landed the seaplane. Ay,
Ano, what happened? May bato.
So, ayun. Hindi nga maragod siya. Kaya ito nga. So, lilipad nga to. It's about to fly. So, hindi pa pa ganun yung lipad niya. Ito, lilipad. Flap up and away! Ayun, so may nahana. So, ayun, may na tayo nakuha na nalipad. From Maldives Airport. Ayun, bagong baba din to. Ooh! Bagong landing. So, ayan, perfect. Perfect ang ating video shooting. Dahil may nakita tayong bagong landing na seaplane and then bagong lipad na airplane. That one. Ayan. So, gabi na pero anda pa rin nababa at saka lumilipad. Ayan. So, ang flight namin na may 11 hanggang 8 PM andito kami. Ayan. Andito kami sa launch ng Cheval Blanche. Ayan. So, marami tayong nakita ngayon sa video na ito. So, lucky tayo. So, nakita nyo kung paano nililinis ang seaplane. Ayan. Ganyan sila maglinis. Ayun siguro, yung mga piloto yon. These people are pilots. Ayan. Yan yung uniform niya. That's their uniform. White. And then shorts. And then slippers. So, At first, when I see them, I was thinking they were Indian, then like that. But they are actually Maldivian. They call themselves Maldivian. Ayan. Ito just landed also, this one. Many airplane here are landing. Ay, yung bago yun, naghahanap ng ano. So, ang bilis lang nila. It's just very fast. So, dito sa Maldives, ang dagat, the water is also clear. The water also clear, but actually, it wasn't not that clean, the same as the Cheval Blanche. And then this one is a city, and this is the city. And then that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na ito tungkol dito sa Seaplane Airport at saka sa Maldives Airport. Ayan, so meron kayong magkadikit lang yan, Maldives Airport. Ayan. So from here, from Maldives Seaplane Airport, kailangan namin we needed a car to go to the Maldives Airport. Ayan, later we have a service. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. God bless everyone.